I am Dr. Ramkrishna Ghosh, an Associate Professor of the Department of Information Technology of Haldia Institute of Technology. I qualified in GATE 2007 on paper IT with score 438 with All India rank 180. I qualified in UGC NET in Computer Science and Applications and WBSET in Computer Science, both in December 2023. Today, I am going to discuss UGC NET June 2026 Computer Science and Applications, important questions and answers. What is Perceptron in ANN? It came in UGC NET June 2024. A double layer auto-associative neural network. Option 1. Option 2. A neural network that contains feedback. Option 3. An auto-associative neural network. Option 4. A single layer feed-forward neural network with prepoising. Option 4 is the correct answer. A single layer feed-forward neural network with prepoising. Question number 2. Consider the following statements. Option A. C fuzzy means clustering is a supervised method of learning. B. PCA, principal component analysis, is used for dimension reduction. C. A priori is not a supervised technique. D. When a machine learning model becomes so specifically tuned to its exact input data that it fails to generalize to other similar data, it is called underfitting. It came in UGC NET June 2023. Option 1 A and B, option 2 B and C, option 3 C and D, option 4 D and A. C fuzzy means clustering. Actually, is an unsupervised method of learning. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Clustering is an unsupervised method of learning. Principal component analysis is used for dimension reduction. So A, C fuzzy means clustering is a supervised method of learning. It is not true. B, PCA is used for dimension reduction. It is true. C, a priori is not a supervised technique. A priori is used for association rule mining. Market basket technique. A priori is not a supervised technique. It is an unsupervised technique. It is correct. D, when a machine learning model becomes so specifically tuned to its exact input data that it fails to generalize to other similar data, it is called underfitting. No, it is called overfitting. So D is also false. A false, D false. So B and C are correct. Option A and B. Option B and C. Option 3, C and D. Option 4, D and A. Option 2, B and C. That is the correct answer. Question number 3. Definitions of dash organized into following 4 categories. Namely, thinking humanly, thinking rationally, acting humanly, acting rationally. It came in UGC NET December 2024. Option 1, machine learning. Option 2, deep learning. Option 3, artificial intelligence. Option 4, neural network. Option 3, artificial intelligence is the right answer. Next, identify the circumstances under which preemptive CPU scheduling is used. There are two types of CPU scheduling, preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling. Preemptive CPU scheduling where CPU can be taken away from a running process. Examples of preemptive scheduling, round robin scheduling, non-preemptive scheduling, where no time slice is used, like preemptive CPU scheduling. In non-preemptive scheduling, process finishes its execution when its CPU time burst is over. Examples are FCFS, HJF, first come first serve and shortest job first scheduling algorithm. So A process switches from running state to ready state. B, a process switches from waiting state to ready state. C, a process completes its execution. D, a process switches from ready to waiting state. Choose the correct option. 1, A and B only. 2, A and D only. 3, C and D only. 4, A, B and C only. Option 1, A and B only is the correct answer. Next, question 5. A race condition occurs when multiple processes execute sequentially. Option 2. Multiple processes access shared data concurrently. Option 3. CPU utilization becomes 100%. Option 4. Memory is full. Option 2. Multiple processes access shared data concurrently is the correct answer. Question 6. Thrashing occurs due to excessive context switching. Option 1. Option 2. Excessive paging. Option 3. CPU overheating. Option 4. Disk failure. Thrashing is the coincidence of high page traffic and low CPU utilization. The high paging activity is called thrashing. Thrashing can be caused by poor paging algorithms. So thrashing occurs due to excessive paging. That is the right answer, option 2. In Q-learning, Q value represents. There are 3 types of machine learning algorithm: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Q-learning, reinforcement, machine learning. In Q-learning, Q value actually quality. Option A, model accuracy. Option 2, expected reward, future reward of an action. Option 3, learning rate. Option 4, discount factor. 2, expected future reward of an action. That is the correct answer. Cyclomatic complexity is used to measure. Option 1, program size. Option 2, testing effort and complexity. Option 3, memory uses. Option 4, CPU utilization. Cyclomatic complexity is used to measure the complexity of a software. It measures the number of linearly independent paths through a program source code. It is measured using the formula m equal to e minus n plus 2. E number of edges in the control flow graph. N number of nodes in the graph. P number of connected components. Another simple formula: cyclomatic complexity equal to decision number of decision nodes plus 1. Cyclomatic complexity is actually used in white box testing. Higher value, higher some cyclomatic complexity value indicates more code and more complexity. So cyclomatic complexity is used to measure testing effort and complexity. Option 2 is the correct answer. Which Agile framework uses sprints? Agile framework actually focuses on quick delivery of working software, customer satisfaction. It is actually focuses on iterative development. So most widely used Agile framework, Scrum, that uses iterative short iterations called sprints. So option 1 Scrum, option 2 waterfall, option 3 RAD, option 4 prototype. Scrum is the correct answer. Question number 10. Regression testing is performed to test new modules only. Option 2, ensure changes do not affect the existing functionality. Option 3, test performance only. Option 4, test security only. Regression testing is actually performed to ensure the changes that do not affect the existing functionality. Option 2 is the correct answer. Today I am ending here. I will come back soon with update videos. If you like my content, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I eagerly anticipate your positive response shortly. keep press on bell icon. You will be notified whenever I will upload more and more videos. I truly need your love and support. Thank you so much for watching this full video. Please stay tuned.